Howdy folks, we're live at 9:53 and we're running a 4-winner mini for Spencer's Luke Poncho. There he is. I got 16 spots here that I'm going to take over to random to find our winners. Paste them in there, 1 through 16. Going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got an 8. So we're good to go. Good luck everybody. Here we go. Jimmy in the top spot for round 1. Adam 2. Jimmy 3. Andrew 4, Andrew 5, Jimmy 6, Ryan 7, and our winners are Tyler, Ryan, and Jimmy. Congratulations, guys. Here's the official results. PKCOIV. There they are. I am done at 9:54. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, guys. See ya. Thanks.